Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by placing posts where they'll best support the fence. Layout matters. Once you have marks at 6 to 8 feet, dig pilot holes about 12 in deep to set anchors. Make sure to use a level and string line so alignment stays straight. This prevents later bending and sag. Use gloves, eye protection, and a post driver or sledge to start the post about 6 in into the ground. When set, double-check spacing and vertical plumb to avoid rework. Once posts are started, focus on stability and exact heights. This saves time when attaching panels. Drive or tamp the post until roughly 6 inches remain below grade, then verify plumb on 2 faces. Backfill with crushed stone for drainage or mix concrete for permanent fixtures. Make sure concrete slopes away from the post. Allow concrete to set partly, then recheck level. Attach horizontal rails with corrosion-resistant clamps, aligning each rail to the string line so panels fit without forcing. You finish by fitting panels and securing them to the rails, then cut post tops flush and add caps to keep water out. Once panels are on, treat any exposed metal to stop rust. Paint or cold galvanize within 24 hours. If a post leans later, don't panic. Loosen fittings, lift the post, re-level with a spirit level, and add compacted backfill or fresh concrete to lock it straight. Check neighboring posts for transferred stress, and make small adjustments to avoid gaps or strain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.